Hey guys, Eddie here again, and I'm here to talk to you about a fantastic new camera from Birddog that I recently got to play with. This is the new Birddog 04, which Birddog are calling the outdoor PTZ that owns the elements. And I think they might just be on the money there too. The 04 or Outdoor 4 is an IP66 rated 4K 60 camera that features a Sony 1 1/8 sensor, 12G SDI output, NDI HX3 and full NDI support, SFP fiber, PoE++, dual streaming, a full color gamut and color controls, 30x optical zoom with a further 30 times digital zoom in HD mode, AI tracking, I've also run out of fingers, integrated cable management and heaps more. As with existing Birddog cameras, the AI tracking built in is superb. You can track a subject and the camera will keep them in frame perfectly while looking natural, like a real human person is controlling the camera. This camera also works flawlessly at nighttime as well. It has an inbuilt IR laser, which will allow autofocus to function flawlessly in both day and, more importantly, night. It also features an IR cut filter and black and white mode for complete darkness. The 30 times optical zoom works in 4K with a downscale to HD when digitally zooming from the 30 to 60 times zoom range. Being IP66, the 04's enclosure is completely dust tight and protected from water jets in any direction, making it ideal for outdoors where it'll be subject to changing weather conditions. Now I know IP ratings are hard to put into perspective without a ton of Googling, so I'll put IP66 in another way. It'd be like you and your mates emptying 500 of these water bottles for 3 minutes onto the camera, while another mate uses a leaf blower to blow sand at it for 8 hours, and for the camera to come out fine and unharmed afterwards. It also has a huge operating temperature range of -40 to 60 degrees Celsius. For cold places, the camera has a built-in heater to prevent fogging and condensation, and the smudge-resistant and hydrophobic coating on the lens helps keep the water and other nasties off the lens. For the hot places, if it's in over 60-degree temperatures, I think you'll have a few bigger problems than the camera not working. But the die-cast aluminium body helps act like a heatsink to keep it working. At the heart of the 04 lies a powerful 1 1/8 CMOS sensor that captures detailed 4K 60 video with bold color and dynamic range. Whether it's an outdoor concert or a late afternoon ceremony, your footage will always look broadcast ready. Setting up the camera is easy. Just unscrew the screws underneath the camera and pull the base plate out. Now the easiest way we found to get this plate out, because there's a rubber gasket in there, is to throw a tripod plate onto the base and use that to pull. From there, we undo our cable management ports, and don't worry if you make any mistakes on the port assembly. We certainly didn't get it right the first few goes or the few goes after that, but make sure before you insert the cable into the rubber block that you put the outer capping and the barb on the cable before pushing it through the cable grommet. Once that's done, pop it through the hole and plug the cable in. Then screw the pass-through on tight. Put the backing plate on and screw it up firmly in a star pattern and you're good to go. Being PoE and NDI capable, you can power and push video feed through one Ethernet cable, making for a very simple outdoor camera for your setup. Now I'll cross to myself in the field testing this one to show you the features in action. We're outdoors. This is a zoom test on the Birddog. It's the 04 all-weather Ultra HD 4K PTZ camera. It's fantastic. Quentin, if you want to hit the magic button and show it zooming in. All right, yeah, now we're zoomed in fully optically. And if we zoom in again, that's our digital zoom, which we can almost see the driver of this this suburban rail loop worker going nuts. Yeah, and then you get the heat off everything. Yeah, it looks so cool. Yeah, so I've got a bottle of water here. The Birddog 04 is it's fully weather resistant. So it also has a hydrophobic coating on the lens, so I can actually tip this bottle of water directly onto it. Now I do have to be a little bit careful because there's some non-waterproof equipment behind it, but if I come up here and tip it over the front, well, that looks fantastic. It's just crazy. Just dumping water on it. Big thanks to Blonde Robot and Birddog for the demo unit. The Birddog 04 weatherproof outdoor PTZ camera, available now at videoguys.com.au. Contact us for more information on how this camera will suit your applications. And as a Birddog demo partner, we can offer this camera as well as the entire Birddog fleet to demo in your space to make sure it suits your application. As always, I've been Eddie for Videoguys Australia. Remember to like and subscribe and do all the stuff down below. Thanks for watching.